Today we're going to replace this brake light on this 14 Santa Fe. So first we're going to, have to unlock it and lift up the hatch here. So we got our bulb here. We're going to take out these two screws right here. Okay, so we got these two screws out. Now I loosened this up already because I needed two hands, but they're stuck in there, wedged in there pretty good, when they're sitting there. So what I did is I put my hand kind of here to hold it, and then I used my other hand to kind of hit this way on the light. I kind of come in and hit it this way to kind of pop it out. My other hand's here is to kind of catch it so it doesn't just go flying. So there we got the one plug. You can disconnect the whole thing. You got your lights here. You got two of them. Only one is the brake light. You can see the bulb's a little black there. So the bulb just is a twist, you just kind of a quarter turn. You can see the one little knob there. One's higher up than the other side. That's important for it to go in. So you can see the little slots there. One's kind of shallow, the other's deeper. There's a new bulb out of the box here. Bulb, one shallow. You can see it's a dual filament, so that means one of those come on for a tail light, one comes on for the brake light, so the brake light's brighter than the tail light. We're just going to go make sure you got the one that's further down will go in the side that has a deeper slot. Give it a little turn. Bulb's in there. Put it back in its place. Another little turn. And when you put this back on, you want to make sure this slot is going onto this. Otherwise it's going to stick out and you'll see that it's not right. And of course these other little knobs are going in those. Just line it up, slide it in. You hear a little click. It's all lined up here. Put those screws back in, and that will be replacing the same thing on the other side if you need to do that side. Real easy to do. All you need is the screwdriver. So thanks for watching.